How to recover lost Brawl Stars accounts. You have three things you could do. So the first thing is you could click on the three signs right here. You're gonna have to scroll down, click on this option right here where it says Supercell ID. Now from here you could go on your settings. Then from there you could scroll down and click on switch accounts. Now from here you could click on login to Supercell ID. Click on continue, enter your email. Then once you enter your email, click on continue. Now from here, you could reset your whole password, do all that, and you could log back into your old account. The second thing you could do, you could just click on the cross sign right here, just get out this, go on settings again. Now click on settings. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on help and support. You're gonna have to click on account, click on recover your account. I have lost access to my account. So as you guys can see right here, all they said, even if you weren't connected to your Supercell account, you could still get it back, but you just gotta contact them. As you guys can see right here, they also said it right here. All you gotta do is just click on this sign right here. This is the blue option, and you could also click on open support ticket. Just click on that. Now from here, just click on no, and you could write a message and you could talk to them directly and tell them what happened, and they'll try their best to help you out. All you need is your username, your ID, and when you create your account, all the information that's in your account. There's a third option what you could do, just go over here. Now from here, you could just scroll down, click on Supercell ID, click on settings right here. Now from here, you could just scroll down and you could just log out and make a new account. That's basically what you could do. Those are the three ways. The second one is the most convenient one where you could talk to them live and get it back super easily. That's what helped me and a lot of my friends out. But if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.